Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Kling Motion 2.6 completely free to create cinematic, high-quality, and visually stunning videos. I have two powerful free AI tools for you where you can use Kling Motion 2.6 for free. The first one is great, but the second one is on another level. So make sure you watch till the end because things are going to get really interesting. All right, so let's get started. So the first tool we are going to use is Robineo AI. When you sign up on Robineo AI, you will receive around 70 daily credits that you can use to generate your videos. And if you invite your friends, you can also earn extra credits for each referral. Now let's create our first video. Simply click on New Project and then choose the workflow option. After that, click on the plus icon, go to the video creation section and select Motion Control. Now your canvas will be loaded, and this is where the magic happens. You will see three main sections: image, video, and text. In the image box, upload the image that you want to animate. I will upload my own image. In the video box, upload a reference video. This video will control the motion, so whatever movement is in that video will be applied to your image. And in the text box, simply enter your prompt to guide the AI, describing how you want the motion and overall result to look. After that, go to the model section and select Kling 2.6. Now everything is set. Just click on Generate and our video will start processing. After a few moments, our video will be ready. And here we go, just look at this. The motion from the reference video is perfectly applied to the image. The animation looks smooth, the quality is high, and everything feels very clean and professional. And yes, there is no watermark at all. You can now simply download your video. So by using this tool, you can easily create amazing motion videos using Kling Motion 2.6 for free. Now let's move to our second and most exciting tool. The second tool is Luma AI. Luma AI is also a powerful free AI tool where you can use Kling Motion 2.6 for free. And the best part is that when you sign up, you get around 3,000 free daily credits, which is more than enough to create multiple high-quality videos without worrying about limits. All right, so now let's get started. First, click on the boards option, and from here, create a new project. After that, click on the plus icon and upload your video. Once your video is uploaded, simply right-click on it and choose the Modify Video option, and then choose the Kling 2.6 model. Now from here, upload your image, and in the framing section, make sure to select the Match Video Frame option so your output stays perfectly aligned. If your video already has sound effects or audio and you want to keep it, then simply enable the Keep Audio option. Enter your prompt. Next, move to the Quality section and select High Resolution to get the best possible output. Now, everything is ready. Just click on Create, and our video will start generating. After a few moments, our video will be ready. And here we go, just look at this. The result looks absolutely amazing. The motion is smooth, the animation is clean, and everything feels perfectly aligned and high quality. The overall output looks very professional and visually appealing. And the best part is, even after creating this video, we still have plenty of credits left to generate more content. So guys, now you have seen both tools. These are two powerful free AI tools that allow you to use Kling Motion 2.6 without paying anything. This is a great opportunity for you to experiment, create, and turn your ideas into reality. So go ahead and try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. I will keep bringing more amazing and useful AI tools for you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, and thanks for watching.